Welcome. If you want to block ads on your Doogee X100, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get application to transfer data. Oh, I mean to block the ads. And we are going to use this browser, Opera Mini. They got the built-in AdBlock. I think that we got the problem because we have not enough space. So let me just erase some of the data, some of the apps. I think that I'm going to delete this application, and I think it will be enough. Hope so. So click continue, remove. Okay, right now it is downloading. Click open. Accept all of the requests. And right now we have to click OK here and tap here on this Opera Mini icon. Oh, click it one more time, and we have to check if the ad blocking is turned on, and as you can see it is. So we can enter the website, maybe this one. We don't want to switch to the reader mode. And as you can see here, we got the notifications that the 2 ads were blocked. Just turn it off, turn it, and there was also the notifications that the ads were blocked, and this is thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads, and it's thanks to this built-in AdBlock, and currently we blocked 11 ads. So that's really cool. You don't have to connect any external application. And that's how you can block ads on the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!